So in the Old Testament was written in Hebrew, the New Testament of the Bible was written in Greek. Now Jesus says, I am the truth. So we have to understand what the truth means in the Old Testament and in the New Testament. Now here's the thing, the alphabet starts from A, then it ends on Z. That's the alphabet. And in Hebrew, we use the Hebrew letters which start from Aleph up to Tav. So in the alphabet it's A up to Z, but in the Hebrew it's A to T, Tav. Now, truth. What does Jesus mean by truth? So if you look at the Hebrew word, because the Old Testament was written in Hebrew, if you look at the Hebrew word for truth is emet, which is written in that way. So don't be confused, guys. So that's Aleph, A, and then that's Tav, T. That simply means the truth has to have a beginning and an end. A-Z-A-T. It has to have the beginning, Aleph, and Tav, the end. So the truth has to include everything. It shouldn't be half-baked. That's what I mean by I am the truth of everything. So that fullness is what we call emet, which is truth.